Okay, so welcome to my shop. Today I'm working on the Pathfinder project. We started working on our dash panels. Got the new custom dash panels in. Got the Simrad nav unit flush mounted. Charge port switches. Got some stainless drink holders up here. We're going to do a C-deck mat across this. I have a new windshield being custom made right now at the fabrication shop. We put brand new Yamaha controls in here, and I just mounted the radio plate, put the stereo back in. We're also going to be adding a new VHF radio right here, and we got all brand new upholstery done already for the boat. It's inside waiting. We got the leaning post, the backrest, the console cushion, the two side cushions. They're white with the blue striping. We're also going to be re-decaling this boat with new Pathfinder decals on the inside and the outside. We're working on the wiring. Total mess. So far we've pulled out this much wiring, and there's probably going to be more. And I don't know if you can see in here, but we are getting it together one step at a time. We've got to add a third battery. There's not a lot of space in here, so I'm probably going to turn these batteries vertical and put 3 of them in a row. Run new battery cables from the front to the back. Add a second battery switch and 3-bank charger, LED lights, speakers, rod holders. A lot of stuff. We got rod holders in this side now. Much better than the plastic rod holders that were in there. Plastic deteriorated rod holders. We were going to put a new 3-blade steering wheel on, but the customer is real partial to this Pathfinder steering wheel. It says Pathfinder on it. He likes it, so we're going to stick with that. And honestly, it's not a bad wheel. It'll shine up. I got to put some speakers here, and courtesy lights up front, and we're going to be wiring all new pumps inside of here as well, which is definitely not on my favorite list given how little space I have to work in there. And we're going to clean up this battery compartment back here, and on top we got a really cool surprise. We're going to be adding a large spreader bar to the front of the T-top, and it is made by Black Oak. This is has a money spreader bar right there. This thing is sick. So that should light up the front of this boat real well. Black Oak makes really good spreader lights, high quality. Here we got some speakers. These are the courtesy lights that are going in, and another battery switch. Got some underwater lights going on the back of the boat. Not real expensive ones, but pretty decent quality, and they work fairly well. All the interior lighting in this boat is going to be white and blue. The underwater lights are blue as well. Spreader bar, one color, bright. So it's coming along. If you guys like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated, and I'll be continuing to make videos of repairs, restorations, and different things like that. So, guys have a great day.